van is so full with accessories.
Sick house. First impressions, are you kidding? This is freaking sweet.
We think we should call it Sexy Cottage.
It is kind of sexy.
So sexy.
Okay.
Okay, tell me when you're ready. Today is day one install. I know you've all been waiting for this day because I have. We are installing our Ralph Lauren inspired cottage. Here's a sneak peek of the remodel so far. We're just bringing in big pieces of furniture, rugs, kind of just getting a lay of the land and getting things in and unboxed. So there's not much to see today, but come back tomorrow, day two, we're gonna be placing furniture, so that's gonna be fun, and then accessories, bedding, and all that cute little stuff that make a house a home.
We gotta get a good one. We're on camera.
Hi, how's it going, guys? The van is so full with accessories.
How long did it take you to fill up this truck?
I went to the warehouse around 9:30 and I was done like 11:30, so 2 hours.
Oh geez. It's
Yes.
completely full.
Yeah, it's all good.
It is crazy.
It's not my best load, but
Yeah.
yeah.
What's up, Corbin?
How's it going?
Sick house.
First impressions?
First impressions, are you kidding? This is freaking sweet. Check out this kitchen. I mean, how do you get better than this?
You haven't been
Remodel to the fullest, Corbin. Yeah. Melissa is working magic here.
What can I say?
She's a magician.
There's no more pink bedrooms.
No more pink bedrooms.
No
Have you
pink.
seen was the bunk room the one that was like way intense?
These before and afters, right? Oh yeah.
I'm sure we did. Yeah, I'm sure we did. You know it's been done well if, this is what everyone tells me, if you don't see a lot of drywall. And there's like hardly any drywall in the house. That's cool.
There is not a square inch of drywall.
It's all wallpaper and cool paint.
Stone.
Well done.
Cute.
Magnifique.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you feeling?
A little overwhelmed, honestly.
Yeah, it's installed.
Look at everything I've done boxed today.
I know. It's a little bit of a mess, but we got it. So we have accessories and all the CVs.
I had to climb over the counter to get into the kitchen.
I wish I would have got that.
I don't even know where to start. Also, I think I'm stupid because I don't know how to get this knife open either. This is gonna be so fun, you and I, all day today. My hope is we can just fill up all the counters with things so we can get in and out. First box is done. Look at all the progress I've made.
999 more boxes to go. Good job. Looks great with the fireplace.
Right?
It's so good.
Yeah, that was my thought exactly.
We've made a little progress.
I was going to eat a chip.
Oh. It looks so good. Only
We've made a lot of progress. We're about 5% through the accessories, which is a lot. Look how pretty these are though. Look at all these beautiful books.
Oh wow.
All
Very
like-
classy.
They're so classy. Thank you.
Tell them about your name idea for the project.
Oh, well, it does have a name. Mountain Cottage is what we're
Okay.
calling it, which works. But Melissa and I were talking, and we think we should call it Sexy Cottage.
It is kind of sexy.
So sexy.
We have a Narnia pantry.
Narnia. I have more room for accessories in here, so it's gonna be awesome.
Okay, sounds good.
Oh, wait, hold on. Corbin, wait. Hold
Say
on.
hi.
Okay.
Hi.
Thanks, guys.
TV.
Yay, TV's done. Check.
Good.
Check. See, look at the detail in the hardware. It's a little elk.
Oh, there's sconces that have animals on them or something.
So cute.
Can't remember where. Yeah. What are we doing?
This is Hannah's job. This is Hannah's job, but I'll step in. We are unboxing a ton of accessories and a ton of art. We've got stuff behind you. Look at all these boxes Hannah's doing. This is kind of the tedious part of an install. You don't realize how much stuff counts as accessories. 100+ items.
Oh, yeah.
Hundreds
Yeah,
of items.
of items. Yeah.
Tomorrow's a big day. We'll probably like wrap up like placing everything, and then Hannah will accessorize with Melissa. We'll make beds, we'll hang art, we'll wrap it up. Peace.
It is day 3 of our install. Today is the most exciting day of them all. We finally have all the furniture in and we're just placing it today. And then we get to start accessorizing and hanging art. So I'm pretty excited. I've got my moving slippers on and I'm ready to go.
Just checking on stuff.
Admiring my handiwork.
Just taking it in.
I didn't get to see the chandelier in when I was last here.
Yeah, it looks
so I
really
had
nice.
to come take a peek. This is something we rarely do because anything other than a white toilet is kind of scary.
It is. I don't know why it is, but it's
know.
intimidating.
And I'm still a little hesitant on the black, but this bathroom needed a black toilet.
Yeah,
So
it's moody enough they can handle it.
behold the black toilet.
The black toilet.
It's my favorite part.
Lamps.
Lamps. That was sarcastic.
Oh, is it really?
If you couldn't tell. This lamp is heavy. I
Yeah.
don't look like this all the time.
How's it going?
Hi.
How are you feeling?
I feel fine.
Feel good?
Yeah.
Not overwhelmed?
No, I don't think so.
What are you doing today?
I'm doing accessories with Melissa. Is what I'll be doing.
Nice. That's why they pay you the big bucks, right?
Probably the best Swiffer around.
Wow.
These are supposed to go in here, but they're too small.
Oh yeah. There's just a little. You need a trim.
Or a bend.
Oh yeah, much better.
On to the next.
How is there like a rule on like rug size for like a room or just kind of whatever?
There's not really a rule. You just want it to feel proportionate with the room. And normally the rug would go the other way and kind of go lengthwise so it fits the width of the nightstands. But in this situation, the furniture comes out pretty far, so we're trying to encompass all of the furniture on the rug. And I'm wondering if we need to revert the rug to go back the other direction, because the whole rug is basically being filled up by furniture, and at that point, like, what's the point of a rug?
Right. But you can't see it. Yeah. I think it looks beautiful. Doesn't it look nice?
So good! Oh, that looks awesome.
It loo-
You just
I was just saying, my TV is loud. It sounds like a movie theater. Okay, I was saying that as a reader, this space right here is like my biggest dream.
It's perfect. Can you
Oh,
imagine if it's
I
like
would
snowing outside?
Literally sit here for hours and hours.
Love it.
One day, my future home.
Soon. Yeah, I wanted to see it. The whole house is rumbling. A little bit.
People, they're different.
I don't want to be on camera.
We did it. Day 3. Bye.
We are wrapping up day 3. We have all of our furniture placed. We started doing accessories and mirrors. So tomorrow we're gonna finish up accessories and start doing artwork and bedding and just putting all the final touches on everything. So stay tuned, come back, because I think you're gonna really love the end results. And we can't wait to show you.